What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well. And let's jump right into it, man. As always, y'all seen the title, thumbnail, you clicked on this video for a reason. Got a Nike dunk for y'all. Unfortunately, this is for small feet gang, my fellas. We out of there with this one, man. Regular box, no special packaging, but I guess it is kind of a special shoe, man. The tag reads Nike Dunk Low GS, white, black, white, size 7Y. Let's check these joints out, man. Now here we have the Nike Dunk Low Grade School in the year of the dragon colorway, man. Right off the rip, man, you see that dragon super pops out with the detail on this shoe. Nice white and gray leather going all the way around. Let's check out the details, man, and see if you like these joints. And if you size 4 wide or size 7, you'll be able to grab these joints for sure. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, the toe box comes laced in a white, smooth leather, Panda Dunk style, nothing crazy as far as material. That smooth, stiff, white leather. Gray going around that toe cap, going all the way around the side of the shoe. Gray going through the eyelets. White, smooth leather going across that side panel. And as you can see, it does have a black Nike swoosh with the dragon kind of intertwined with the Nike swoosh. And that particular pop of art, man, that's what made me gravitate towards this shoe. And that's what made it pop to me. And I mean, it's a really, really nice detail on this joint, man. That black swoosh with the dragon in it, and it is Velcro. It's a nice touch to this shoe. Now, one thing I can say, I thought it would be like a lot thicker quality, like embroidery on the dragon part. Don't get me wrong, this part here is like just kind of flimsy, but it does really look good, man. Some really nice detail. It has like the Nike signs going throughout the dragon. Really nice, colorful, adds a nice pop to it. And I just like the fact that it's Velcro. You can go with the black swoosh look if that's what you want, or you can slap the Nike tag back on there with the dragon and add that pop of color to it. And that really goes well with the theme of the shoe, the year of the dragon. Now getting to the back of the shoe, man, it does have the gray going across the bottom of the shoe. And this white here is like slightly tumbled leather. It does have the red going across the heel tab with the black Nike embroidered in. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, just the same as the outside. It has the gray and white hits. Now this swoosh right here is gray on this one, and it matches the gray panels on the toe cap and on the back parts of the shoe as well. So it's a gray swoosh on the inside, black swoosh with the Velcro with the dragon on the outside. Same white smooth leather on the inside panels. Now getting back to the front of the shoe, it does have smooth white laces, a white tongue tag with the black Nike embroidered in. Full red guts on the interior, man. It's a really, really nice touch there. Adds a nice pop of color. Now getting to that midsole, man, with the pure white midsole, pure white stitching, all black outsole on these joints, man. Really, really nice touch on these shoes, man. I like it a lot. And on the insole of the shoe, man, it does have like a Year of the Dragon theme, like Nike print. This is a grade school only, like I said earlier, man, but this is a really, really nice detailed shoe. I wish this joint dropped in men. I do kind of understand that it is kind of kiddyish in some ways, but I do feel like if this would have dropped in men's or even like extended women's sizes, this joint would have sold extremely well, but it is what it is, man. Grade school shoe. Let's check out the right shoe, man. Let's see what that joint looking like. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left. Has a smooth white leather going across the toe box, gray going across that toe cap going all the way around to the side of the shoe, gray on the eyelets where the laces go. It does have that black Nike swoosh as well with the dragon going through just like the other shoe, man. Really, really nice touch there. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, it does have that red heel tab with the black Nike embroidered in. Not the best Nike stitching I've seen on a dunk, but it's a nice looking colorway. But this quality on this particular stitching isn't that great. Inside of the shoe, man, does have the gray and white smooth leather panels going throughout. And back to the front of the shoe, man, where it features the white laces, white tongue tag with the black Nike embroidered in. And this one does have a slightly different insole with a different Year of the Dragon themed Nike graphic on the inside of the shoe, man. Really, really nice touch there. Pure white midsole, just like I said on the other shoe. All black going across the outsole, man. Really neutral with a nice subtle pop of color with the red and with the dragon print there, man. I like the detail with it being a Velcro swoosh. I like that touch. Super nice shoe, especially for the kids, man. I like this one. Now, as far as pricing on these joints, man, I was able to grab them from the Nike app for 100 bucks. It was like 108 and some change out the door. I'm here in Texas, man. A really, really nice shoe for 100 bucks with the extra Velcro swooshes. I like that touch. But with it being a kid's shoe, being $100, definitely cheap. So my small feet gang guys and the small feet gang ladies, this one is for y'all. The kids, this one is for y'all, man. They do have a couple other like Nike Dunks and Jordan 1s coming out with this Year of the Dragon theme, releasing in late January, early February. So we will have chance to grab some for the big feet gang. But for now, the first one to drop is this Nike Dunk Low. As far as resale, man, they aren't really doing anything too crazy. They aren't listed on StockX just yet, but just using Yotd as a reference, they're going for like 130 to 140 across the board. And I'm just now starting to see them release on like Finish Line and JD Sports like early this week. So you can see that price drop soon. But I'll still go ahead and grab these ones, especially if you can get them for retail and this is your size. It's a really good shoe, man. I like this one a lot. Now, as far as quality and quality control, man, you're not getting anything crazy as far as like the leather quality. It's like your regular like plastic feeling Panda Dunk style leather. Does have like your wrinkles and creases going across the toe, just where they bond the midsole to the upper. Not too great of a stitching job going across the Nike, but nothing too crazy, nothing too bad. You can see like a small flaw here on the midsole where like the stitching is kind of sticking out. But other than that, man, it's still a really good shoe, really nice colorway. Not so great quality, don't get me wrong, but if you're a 4 to 7, you can grab them for $100. This is an auto cop, especially for $100. Man, you can't really beat that, especially like with the release prices of a lot of shoes and dunks and everything being $115 and up for dunks, and $150, $200 for Jordans, man. If you can get a decent shoe for $100, man, why not? But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Nike Dunk Low in the Year of the Dragon colorway. Great school exclusive, man. Leave me an honest opinion down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this joint. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Do you wish this joint came in bigger sizes? Just leave your comment down below. Let me hear your honest opinion. Let me know how you feeling about these, man. But like I said, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike Dunk Low in the Year of the Dragon colorway, man. Grade school exclusive. Peace.